everyone, my name is Norma. My family calls me Terry. I'm starting a YouTube channel. The name is A Busy Clean Bee. I thought that was really cute. But I wanted to just spread motivation. I've been watching YouTube videos recently of people cleaning, and I just can't even believe how motivated I got with that and how clean my house has been. It's far from perfect. We just recently moved into our new home. We were blessed with a beautiful new home, and I just wanted to spread some of that so that other people could possibly get motivated. Maybe I have some good tips, or maybe you have some good tips for me. I'm also decorating and organizing. Maybe I'll even throw in a little bit of cooking, although I'm not the best cook. I do have some good meals that I prepare. So yeah, I'm gonna do a home tour today so we can see kind of where I got started. And if nothing else, I'll have some great memories to look back on. Okay, so here we go with my home tour. Okay, this is my front door. It's kind of hard to see. This is the inside of it. I have a wreath on the door, as you can see, but it's kind of gone lopsided. So, this is the entryway. There's Jack's. I have a mirror to put here. It's black. I'm not sure if I want to paint it silver. I have a couple of little fall decorations, maybe some Halloween. I have this that my lovely sister Melba made for me, the home sign. I love it. This is my office. I need to stage my bookshelves a little better. I have a big, huge closet that I recently organized, but it looks like it might need to be organized again. And there's Blanca. Okay, so then we walk into the living room. We have some really big windows, a ceiling fan going. Again, I have bookshelves. I recently bought a Kindle, so I got rid of all my books, and then I bought bookshelves. So now I need to figure out how I'm gonna stage those as well. That's gonna go up above the TV, that little white iron design thing that I got at Hobby Lobby. There's the curtains on the chair that I need a taller ladder because I'm not tall enough to get all the way up there. It doesn't look that high from here, but it really is. I have a 5-foot ladder. I need a 7. This is my dining area. With the table, I'm planning to stain the top a dark color and paint the legs white, with the chairs being white as well. I need a bigger rug. Here's my coffee bar. My birthday was recently, and I got some new coffee mugs that my cousins Irma and Dell got for me. I'm gonna put those up and get that all fixed up. There's a bathroom over here. My son's mess. There's his room. We will not go in there. This is my dad's room, who will be moving back in soon. Nothing on the walls. It's a blank slate. Then, as you can see, I have a lot of cleaning motivation to add in. Here's my kitchen. I just recently put some of the stuff up there, but it got a little bit more to do. I have a small laundry room in here, which is another project that I can work on, organizing the shelves. It is really small. There's the washer, the dryer, my e-cloths, because I love them. And here's the inside of the kitchen, my Grove Collaborative stuff, Mrs. Meyer's soap that I get from Grove Collaborative. This is the garage, another project that needs to be done. pantry. Got all kinds of stuff in there. Needs to be organized. Lots of boxes, lots of organization. So I'm glad y'all are joining me on my journey. I hope I'm not making anybody car sick. Okay, then we go on to the other side of the house. And we have, this is my husband's room, man cave. He calls it the man cave. We have some IKEA drawers to put together. All Star Wars, because he loves it. Dallas Cowboys. So that's his room. We have a small guest bathroom. Guess you can tell he likes Star Wars. And then my room, blank walls, blank walls, blank walls. So we got a lot to do, a lot that I can share. So I'm really excited. I thought this was a great idea. My shower needs to be cleaned. We have a little small bath area that needs to be decorated, and a master closet that needs organization. So, like I said, very excited. I hope you guys tune in and watch what I'm able to do, and I hope you put in your ideas as well. Thanks. Bye.